Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to Learn with Kamran. Today we are embarking on a quest to unravel the truth by debunking 10 all too common misconceptions that many people hold. It's time to clear the air and separate fact from fiction. Let's dive right in. So the first misconception is the Great Wall of China is visible from space. You have probably heard that the Great Wall of China is the only human-made structure visible from space. But here is the reality. It's not. Astronauts have reported that it's incredibly challenging to spot with the naked eye from orbit. So no, the Great Wall isn't waving at us from outer space. Do you use 10% of your brain? This myth has been around forever, suggesting that our brain vast potential remains largely untapped. In truth, modern neuroscience reveals that we use virtually all parts of our brain for various functions. So that whole 10% unused idea, it's just not accurate. Shaving makes hair grow back thicker. Fear not folks, shaving does not magically transform your hair into a thicker, more robust version. What might appear as thicker hair after shaving is simply due to the blunted ends. It's all about the illusion, not the reality. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. The satisfying pop of the knuckle cracking does not lead to arthritis, as many believe. Studies have shown no significant link between knuckle cracking and this joint condition. So go ahead, indulge in that occasional knuckle crack without worry. You can sweat out toxins. While a good sweat session can feel rejuvenating, it's not a magical detox cure. Our liver and kidneys are the real filters when it comes to detoxification, not sweating. Sweating does help regulate body temperature, but it's not the primary means of eliminating toxins. Cold weather causes colds. Despite the common belief, cold weather itself does not cause colds. Colds are primarily caused by viruses, and while cold weather might create conditions that make virus transmission easier, it's not the direct culprit. So, bundle up, but remember to wash those hands. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Goldfish are smarter than we give them credit for. They have memories lasting several months, not just 3 seconds. So the next time you're watching your aquatic pals, remember that they can recall more than you might think. You lose most of your body heat through your head. Remember when mom insisted you to wear a hat in the winter because you would lose most of your body heat through your head? Well, it turns out that this was a bit of an exaggeration. Heat loss depends on the amount of exposed skin, not just your noggin, so keep well warm over. Eating carrots improves your vision. Carrots are undoubtedly a nutritious snack, but they would not give you superhuman vision. While they do contain vitamin A that is essential for good eye health, eating mountains of carrots would not suddenly give you a night vision. So, sorry Batman. Humans have only 5 senses. Traditionally, we have taught about the basic 5 senses that are sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. However, our sensory perception is far more intricate. Beyond the main 5, we have additional essential senses that are proprioception, balance, pain, temperature, pressure, and time. And there you have it folks, 10 common misconceptions now thoroughly debunked. It's essential to question what we think we know and seek out the truth. If you enjoyed this myth-busting adventure, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.